Was this a Kodak moment?
You bet.
It might be.
Probably the only one we're going to get at this rate.
Yeah. Where the hell is that gasoline?
I don't think I'd be leaning in too far there. There you go.
There she went. Woohoo! I'll turn down tonight.
Uh-oh. That's not good. Wow. Hey, John. That's not good.
That's a good fire.
That's a gooder.
No.
Yeah, you might want to slow down.
Yeah, that's where you've got like cinder tanks.
There's a bunch of pine branches in there. They go nuts.
Yeah, but what about all these?
The forest.
Yeah.
It wet nuts the last couple days.
Surrounding territory on fire.
Well, it poured this morning. You know, we got about what? That's true. We got about what? 5 minutes of rain.
Huh?
Oh, it rained for a long time in town. Oh, did it?
It didn't out here.
It didn't out here. It rained from probably about. I was up at 4:30 and it was raining.
We got a few sprinkles.
And it was still raining at about 8 o'clock.
I was finding lumber from that.
On top of our kayak covers, there's bit.
Coming up with logs.
So it rained for a few hours in town.
It's gone past brush and it's called logs.
You make it bigger. Pull it this way.
Carlton.
We
need more power.
On fire. Can't have a small fire. I'm gonna miss these Northwoods.
Yeah. I remember coming up here when there were trees.
Remember when the UP had trees? No, I don't.
And I was thinking, you know. Well, it'll be a hell of a lot more fun to snowshoe. There'll be no trees in the way. I was thinking nice little fire ring with a few pieces of log. Whoops. Whoops. Guess not.
You should know better.
Fire pit myself.